Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very simple breakfast recipe with bread. Let's start. Place one kadai with 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add one chopped onion. Saute well until the raw smell of onions went off. That's all. Now we can add one chopped tomato. Saute well until the tomatoes become smashable. Into this I am going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoons of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt for our taste and some finely chopped curry leaves. Saute for a few seconds. Now I am going to add 4 eggs. Stir it well. Once we added the egg, we should keep on stir it. If you feel the egg is sticking to your kadai, you can add a little bit of oil. That's all. Now our egg podimas is ready. Here we are having some bread slices. Cut this into a small pieces. Now we can add the bread pieces into the egg podimas. Mix it well. Mix it thoroughly until the egg binded with the bread pieces. Kids also will like this recipe very much. Instead of snacks, you can give this recipe in the evening for your kids. Now our tasty and easy bread egg podimas is ready. Now we can switch off the stove. Let me present our dish. Now our bread egg podimas is ready to serve. Let me taste the recipe. It's really excellent, very tasty, and it's a very easy recipe too. You can also try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.